Money. It makes the world go round, but it can also feel like a constant weight on our shoulders. Picture this. It's the end of the month, and you're trying to stretch that last paycheck, but the bills keep piling up. It's a common story, isn't it? In fact, did you know that over half of the average American's income goes just on essentials? That's right, more than 50%. It's no wonder that so many of us feel stressed about our finances. But here's the thing, constantly worrying about money, well, it's like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. It just fuels the problem. So, what's the solution? It's time to stop worrying and start taking control. That's right, control. It starts with understanding your financial situation and creating a plan to manage it. But here's the good news. Worrying about money won't solve anything. Instead, take control. Step 1. Embrace the budget. It's not a monster lurking under your bed or a villain in a horror movie. It's a superhero, a powerful tool waiting to help you get a grip on your money. To start, we need to know where our money is going. So, for one whole month, track your income and your expenses. Every penny earned, every penny spent. This could be as simple as jotting things down in a notebook or using one of the many budgeting apps available. It might seem tedious, but it's like putting on a pair of financial glasses. Suddenly, you'll see your money habits clearly. You'll spot patterns, identify leaks, and get a better understanding of your money flow. The key here is not to judge, but to observe. Remember, we're not here to scold ourselves, but to learn. So let's roll up our sleeves, embrace the budget, and take control. Knowledge is power, folks. Step 2. Prioritize ruthlessly. This doesn't mean you have to give up all the fun in your life. Instead, it's about understanding what's essential and what's not. Start by identifying your non-negotiables. These are the things you absolutely need to cover, like housing, food, and healthcare. Once you've got those covered, it's time to get real about the rest of your spending. Ask yourself, is that daily latte really a necessity or just a nice to have? If it's the latter, maybe it's time to cut back. And while we're at it, let's talk about those subscriptions you barely use or the gym membership that's been collecting dust. It's time to slash those sneaky expenses that slowly drain your bank account. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about making smart decisions. Because every penny saved isn't just a victory. It's a step toward financial freedom. It's a chance to take control of your money instead of letting it control you. Every penny saved is a victory. Step 4. Embrace the DIY spirit. You might be surprised at how much you can save by channeling your inner creative and resourceful side. That fancy coffee you love? Try brewing it at home. That designer dress you've been eyeing? Maybe there's a thrifted or homemade alternative. The possibilities are endless when you start to think outside the box. But let's not forget about the importance of having a financial safety net. This brings us to step 5, building your emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 months' worth of living expenses. This might seem like a daunting task, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start small, save consistently, and before you know it, you'll have a robust emergency fund. And guess what? The comfort of knowing you're financially prepared for unexpected events? That's priceless. Knowing you have a safety net is a huge stress reliever. Step 6. Seek support. You're not alone in your financial journey. There's a whole world of knowledgeable people out there, ready to lend a hand. Don't hesitate to reach out to a financial advisor. They can provide valuable insights, tips, and strategies tailored to your unique situation. And remember, it's okay to share your financial worries with a trusted friend or family member. Sometimes just voicing your concerns can alleviate stress and spark new ideas for managing your money. Don't forget, learning from others can lighten your load. People love to share their success stories, and you never know, their experiences may provide the perfect solution for your financial pinch. Remember, it's a journey. With each step, you're gaining knowledge, growing stronger, and becoming more financially savvy. So breathe easy, budget smart, and watch your financial well-being flourish. With these steps, you're well on your way to stopping money worries cold.